What is going on, everybody? This is Envious Customs, and today we are going to be wrapping this Toyota Mark II. What I'm doing now is currently taking off every part of the vehicle, such as door handles. Right now I'm doing a headlight, and once the vehicle is disassembled, I can actually get down and start wrapping it. If you do enjoy the content, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get this going. Since this Mark II doesn't have a defined line on the roof, what I did was actually put a seam right here, and that allows me to get the roof covered as well as doing the quarter panel in a clean manner. And you'll see I have the inlay on the inside, so when looking at it from the outer point of view, you don't see that line. And then basically from here, I got everything tucked into the seals. All my edges are nice and clean.